these are the two candles that I printed, candle holders. This first one is in white detail. You can see that there is some reflection of the vertical stripes that are on here. I'm not sure how much of that is the printing process itself and how much is the cylinder polygons involved. It's an off-white colour compared to the white strong and flexible. I actually like the colour of the white strong and flexible better, and the white detail material is a little more translucent, although it does seem to be an off-white colour and not as attractive to my eye anyway. This is one of the LED tea lights that I'm planning to fit the covers over. Unfortunately, and while you can see, my measurement wasn't sub-millimetre accurate. Interestingly, the tolerances seem to be different on the two materials. I can almost get the white detail one over the top of the candle, but it does get stuck, and I certainly don't feel confident enough to force them. The white strong and flexible, there's simply no way. So even though it was exactly the same model printed in different materials, this has come out a little bit thicker with a smaller inside diameter, and therefore I can just, but I wouldn't want to push it any further. I suspect that this isn't completely parallel either. I would imagine that there would still be a bit of a glow if I did size that right. Having said that, inside these little guys, they look like this, and so we do get a bit of an effect here. Even this is a bit tight, but I can probably sand out or smooth out along the bottom here enough to get this in. I actually did do a bit of a force fit before by turning it in sideways like that and then trying to rectify by tilting it down a little bit. I don't want to force it now, but you can see that it will have a bit of an effect. Same on the, there's an interesting effect here because this LED seems to have a focus which you really don't want. You want the diffuse result. I'll just turn that around the back so that focal point isn't coming through on there. But you get the idea. Certainly, and it may be hard to tell in this light, but the white detail has better translucency. I think the white strong and flexible would be alright. These are, I think, 1.1 or 1.1 millimetre thick, so I wouldn't want to go much thinner, but they certainly feel strong enough and stable enough, and the lettering stands out enough to get the effect across that I was looking for. Just a shame that now it doesn't have at least that look. It looks a bit ugly in my electronic.